Hello friends. Today, I'll show you how to create a viral kids song video using free AI tools and help you gain 4,000 subscribers in just 30 days. Before we dive in, take a moment to watch this video.
Let's go on an ABC safari with animals and plants. Come sing with me. A to Z, we'll learn and play. It's an adventure every day. A is for alligator, snapping wide. B is for bear, big and wild inside. C is for cat with a purr so sweet. D is for dog, dancing on 4 feet. E is for elephant, so big and gray. F is for frog, leaping every day. G is for giraffe with a neck so tall. H is for hippo, heavy and small. Let's go on an ABC safari, learning letters, wild and free. From A to Z, let's roam and see animals and plants, just you and me. I is for iguana, green and long. J is for jaguar, strong and strong. K is for kangaroo, bouncing high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for narwhal, undersea bound. O is for owl, ooh, at night. P is for penguin, black and white. Let's go on an ABC safari in the jungle, wild and free. From each letter we'll discover more creatures and plants from every shore. Q is for quail in bushes so near. R is for rabbit, hopping with cheer. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger with stripes aglow. U is for umbrella bird, feathered so bright. V is for vulture, circling in flight. W is for whale, big and blue. X marks the spot where the treasure is too. Y is for yak, furry and big. Z is for zebra with a black and white wig. That's the end of our ABC safari. We've learned our letters, wild and free. A to Z, now you and me are safari pals with ABCs.
I created this amazing video using free AI tools, without spending a single penny. In this detailed tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to use free AI tools like ChatGPT to generate ideas, write catchy lyrics for viral kids songs, and create text-to-video prompts for generating 3D Pixar-style videos. First, I'll explain how to use Suno AI to produce a viral kids song. Then, you'll learn how to generate stunning 3D Pixar-style videos that will captivate kids. In the final step, we'll edit our viral kids song video using an impressive video editor called HitPaw Edimaker. This tool will allow us to add automatic captions, text, eye-catching transitions, and amazing effects. If you're as excited as I am to learn the complete process, please hit the like button to support a small creator like me. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's jump into the tutorial. Our first step is to come up with an idea for our viral kids video. To make this easy, I've created some amazing prompts, which you'll find in the description below. For generating ideas for our kids' learning song, we'll use the first prompt. You can adjust the number of ideas based on your preference. In this tutorial, I'll go with 5 ideas. Just select, copy this prompt, and head over to ChatGPT. Once you paste the prompt into ChatGPT and hit send, it will start generating ideas. Here we go, ChatGPT has generated 5 fantastic ideas. Let's choose ABC Safari as our theme. In this song, each letter of the alphabet will represent an animal or an object. With our theme selected, it's time to write the catchy lyrics that will make this kid's song go viral. To generate viral lyrics, we'll use our second prompt. Copy this prompt, then paste it back into ChatGPT. Here, add the song's theme and brief, and hit send. And there you have it. ChatGPT has created superb lyrics for our kids' video. Not only that, but it has also suggested a music style to enhance the song's viral potential. Next, we'll bring our lyrics to life by generating the song for free using Suno AI. Head over to Suno AI. Once on the homepage, click the Create button. Sign up or log in using one of the available methods. After logging in, you'll see this interface. Here, you can type your song idea and click Create to generate a song. But since we've already created lyrics, we'll paste those in instead of just adding an idea. To create a song using your own lyrics, start by enabling the Custom option. Next, enter your lyrics in the provided box. To do this, go to ChatGPT, copy the lyrics, and paste them here. Now, let's add the music style. You can choose from the available options, but since ChatGPT already suggested a specific style, simply copy that description and paste it into this box. After that, enter the song name here. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the song name, and paste it into the field. Finally, click the Create button to begin the song generation process. As you can see, the song generation has started. It will take a few seconds, so let's fast forward through this part. And bingo! Our song is ready. Suno AI has created 2 versions of it. Let's play the first version.
Let's go on an ABC safari with animals and plants. Come sing with me. A to Z, we'll learn and play. It's an adventure every day. A is for alligator, snapping wide. B is for bear, big and wild inside. C is for cat with a purr so sweet.
Wow, the song sounds fantastic. I wasn't expecting such great output from Suno AI. Now, let's check out the second version.
Let's go on ABC safari with animals and plants. They still like me. To sing, we'll learn and play. It's an adventure every day. A is for alligator, snapping wide. B is for bear, big and wild inside. C is
This one is also good, but I really prefer the first one, so we'll continue with that in this tutorial. To download the first version, click the 3 dots, select Download, and then choose the audio option. Now, we've completed step 1, where we generated an idea for a viral kids learning song. In step 2, we created catchy lyrics based on our theme. And in step 3, we generated a viral song using those lyrics. Next, we'll create a text-to-video prompt to produce a video based on our lyrics. But before we move ahead, please hit the like button to support a small creator like me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. To create a text-to-video prompt for our viral kids song, we'll use the prompt in the description below. Simply copy the prompt, go back to ChatGPT, paste it in the prompt box, and hit Send. ChatGPT will now generate a text-to-video prompt for each line of the lyrics. Let's wait for it to complete. And here we go. We now have a text-to-video prompt for each line of our lyrics. Next, we'll use these prompts to generate 3D Pixar-style video clips using Hailuo AI.video. To start, let's copy the prompt for the first line of our lyrics and head over to Hailuo AI.video. A quick note, Hailuo AI offers a 3-day unlimited video generation trial for new signups, so let's create a new account. Click on the Sign In button, sign in with your Google account, and your 3-day free trial will be activated. This means you can generate unlimited videos for the next 3 days. Now, paste the copied prompt into the prompt box. It's important to include 3D Pixar style in the prompt to ensure the video has the desired look. Make sure to turn off the Prompt Tip Optimization option, as we don't want Hailuo AI to alter our well-optimized prompt. Finally, click the button to begin the video generation process. You'll see that the video generation is in progress. This may take a few minutes, so let's fast forward. And bingo! Our first 3D Pixar-style video clip is ready. Let's play the clip. Now, let's download the clip by clicking the arrow icon. Once it's downloaded, rename the file so it's easy to organize when editing the final song. Repeat the same process for the next scene. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, return to Hailuo AI, add 3D Pixar style to the prompt, and paste it here. Again, ensure Prompt Tips Optimization is turned off. Then click the button to start generating the next video. After a few minutes, your video will be ready once again. Following the same steps, you'll need to generate video clips for each scene. As you can see, I've now generated all the video clips for our viral kids song. With everything ready, the next step is to edit these clips and turn them into a full viral kids video song. For this, we'll use HitPaw Editor, a powerful video editor with fantastic features. If you haven't used this editor yet, I highly recommend it. To get started, simply click the link in the description, which will take you directly to the HitPaw Editor download page. Once there, click Get Started for free to download HitPaw Editor to your computer. After the download, launch the installer and follow the steps to install this AI-powered video editor. While it's installing, let's briefly look at its pricing and features. HitPaw Editor offers a free trial plan that includes 30 AI credits. With these credits, you can access features like speech-to-text, text-to-speech, AI-powered script generation, AI video generation, language translation for your videos, AI avatars, and even talking photos, fantastic tools for creating engaging content. Previously, I used Filmora, but I recently tried HitPaw Editor and found it incredibly impressive. If you need more credits, consider a paid plan. Currently, I'm using the perpetual plan, but don't worry, the free trial provides enough credits for creating our kids' viral video. Now that the installation is complete, let's launch HitPaw Editor and start editing our viral kids video. Once HitPaw Editor is open, click Create a Video. First, import the kids song we generated using Suno AI. Let's go ahead and import it. After importing, drag the song to the timeline and play it to check everything sounds good. Next, import all the 3D Pixar-style video clips we generated with Hailuo AI. Once imported, arrange them on the timeline to sync with the song lyrics. Let's play the video to see how it looks so far.
With animals and plants, come sing with me.
Now, to make the video even more engaging, we'll add some text. Click on the Text option, where you'll find a variety of text styles. For this viral kids song, let's choose this style. Adjust the text size, location, and trim the text layer to match the timing of the lyrics. Next, let's update the text. In the yellow section, we'll add letters like A, B, and C, while in the white section, we'll place the corresponding animal names. I've applied this text layout across all the clips. Now, let's play it back to see how it looks.
A is for alligator, sack and wide. B is for bear, big and wild inside. C is for cat with a purr so sweet. D is for dog, dancing on 4 feet. E is for...
To enhance the video, we'll add some transitions between clips. Simply click on the Transition option. Here, you'll find a variety of transitions. Select the ones you like best and apply them to each clip.
A is for alligator, sack and wide. B is for bear, big and wild inside.
Next, we can add effects to make the visuals more appealing. To do this, click on the Filter option. You'll see a range of filters here, but my favorite for this project is the Golden Olive effect. Let's add this to our video clips. Let's play the video and test it with these new effects.
A is for alligator, sack and wide. B is for bear, big and wild inside.
Most of our editing is now complete, but there's one last important detail: adding captions. HitPaw Editor has an automatic caption feature, so we won't need to add captions manually for each clip. You can generate captions for the entire video with a single click. Simply click on the Subtitles option. Then, select a caption style by clicking on Style. There are several options available, but for this video, I'll go with this style. Next, click on the audio layer, then select Auto Subtitling. Now, you can see that HitPaw Edimaker is generating captions automatically for the video. And there you go. Captions have been added throughout the video. Let's play it once more to check the final result.
Let's go on an ABC safari. With animals and plants, come sing with me. A to Z, we'll learn and play. It's an adventure every day.
Our video is ready. To export, click on the Export option. Choose your preferred resolution and hit the Export button to save the video. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button to support a small creator like me, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next AI tutorial video.